What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now it is that time again. It's time for my Cuban cigar of the week, and this week it is the beautiful Montecristo Edmundo. This is a phenomenal 5 1/3 by 52 ring gauge cigar. Just real nice weight to it in the hand. It's got that medium sort of almost Colorado wrapper to it. It's just beautiful to look at, beautiful to hold. And those flavours just off that wrapper there, just on the nose, simply stunning. You're getting some real nice hay and barnyard. There's almost a hint of a tang to that aroma as well. Really excited to get into this one. It's been a while since I've had one of these, so definitely looking forward to get back into one of these. Let's stop talking. You guys know the drill. Let's get it cut and lit, and let's move on to the first third. See you in a second. So guys, I'm just cracking into the first third on this one, and the flavours I got originally were those real nice cedar and quintessential Cuban tobacco notes. There's that zing, that kind of tang that I was getting from the wrapper originally. That's coming through just in terms of a little bit of feel on the tongue. There's that nice tangy note just dancing around on my tongue there. There's also a rather sweet cereal note coming through, and the only thing I can really compare it to is like Rice Krispies sweet cereal notes. Really, really enjoyable. I'm getting a little bit of burnt toast in the room aroma, but the nice level, not all the way up to 11, round about a 6 or 7 in terms of toast. Just real nice flavours. Gonna carry on with this one. Like I said, it's been a while since I've tried one, so I'm really sitting back and enjoying this. Let's see what that middle third's got in store. So guys, we're coming up to halfway through, and the notes have kind of changed a little bit. There's a vanilla note that's coming through, but a real pure, almost raw vanilla pod note that's coming through. Those real nice sort of, those black sprinklings that you get in a very well-made milkshake. So that's coming through. That sweetness has kind of moved around from that cereal note that I was getting into that more vanilla, sort of well-rounded sweetness. It's just simply beautiful. Now the Edmundo is named after Edmundo Dante from the famous book by Alexandre Dumas. And it's actually one of the books which was read in the rolling floor by the Lector to all of the rollers as they were working. So the Count of Montecristo is synonymous with Cuban cigars. It was one of their favourite books, so much so that they ended up naming an entire brand after them. Simply stunning so far. Halfway through, really enjoying it. Definitely going to be picking up some of these because I've ran out at home, and there's definitely one that I keep coming back to. Every time I try it, I always buy a few more because I want my friends, when they come around to my place, to enjoy them too. Let's see what this final third has got in store. I'm going to sit back and enjoy. I'll join you in a few seconds. So guys, I'm down to my last few moments with this cigar today. It's been an absolute pleasure to enjoy that final third. There's been some really interesting floral notes that have came through. It's continued with that slight vanilla sweetness, and those cedar notes and those just real pure tobacco notes have carried on all the way through from the first third to the middle third and all the way down to the final third. Simply stunning. Definitely one. If you haven't tried these before, head on over to the website right now and pick some up. If you have tried them before but you're running low, again, head over to the website, grab yourself a few. You're not going to regret it. The website is www.cgars.com. that's cgars.com. And if you've liked this video, as always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.